I don't have COVID. Anyway, starting off this video, we are at this random ass strip mall and they have an elevator. So, let's fucking film it. Just why not, I guess. Ooh. It's not in the best shape. Watch this. 6'9". Her lantern. Alright. Let's see what Mr. Dover has to offer. Oh, it's a Mr. TK, my bad. Oh, good. Lantern or the indicator doesn't work at all. Well, that's nice. Oh, what a view. I can just see for a mile. Not miles, just mile. Perhaps less. Back into this thing. What the hell is this? Should I touch it? I don't think I should. We should say okay with that. And ooh, it used to be a sticker. Violators will be prosecuted. Oh, uh-oh. Come arrest me. Ooh, tennis ball. That's it.